Matuko maisha President Uhuru Kenyatta athiete na mbere agicokagia ciuria iria ikoretwo meciria-ini na tunuini twa aingĩ cia haria hakinyire urata wake na wa munini wake William Ruto ugikua o riri manyitanire na makihota ngoro cia Kenya aria mamaheire mweke wa gutungatira bururi matena meri. President Uhuru augete hatari ngaja ngeithi gatagati gake na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga niciari na itemi uthuini wao no kuringana nake wendi uria Odinga ari naguo wa kugeithania nake niguo ngui ithire bururi-ini wari na uritu gukira migambo ya aruna ake aria mari na murugamo ngurani.
A man who looks to understand and identify the cause of violence is a peacemaker. That is what we are looking for in this country.
Kamwambie mimi nitakuwa mshauri yako. Sitaki chochote kwa serikali, sitaki kumpatia kazi au watu yangu yoyote tumechukua mtu yangu awe waziri, hapana.
Kuringana na President mito ya munini wake ya gutongoria yakirire itanya ria gutungatira bururi no kurutithania wira na Odinga kumuhutheirie wira wake na akahota gukinyukia makinya utongoria-ini wake na nikio atangirira njatukano yake na munini wake.
You must have ambition. But ambition must be controlled. It cannot be unbridled. It cannot be uncontrollable.
Na mugaru na Raila Odinga uria aingi moe, President acoreire a Kenya mwena ungi uria ugite amenyete kumana na ciiko ciake iria cionanitie bururi ukaga mbere ya meririria make ta mundu kiumbe.
I am here because of Raila Amolo Odinga, the leader. Yeah? A politician takes what he thinks he can get for that moment. A leader is interested in how his country transforms.
Kenya is changing and uniting one handshake at a time. Whoever can wait for it can see it. Whoever stands in the way will be run over by it.
I handed it over to Kenya. What I'm asking Kenyans to do to take care of him.
We shall work hard because we are certain of our intention that the 5th President of the Republic shall be Raila Amolo Odinga.
President Uhuru augete riu giuthi nikigarurukiire munini wake na arumiriri yake na nikio mambiriirie kugia na ciegwatio cia kuhaka Raila Odinga maroro o riri a Kenya ingi kuringana nake monete ohoti wa Odinga wa gutwara bururi uyu ikinya ringi mbere.
Mimi nataka mtu mmoja asimame aniambie ni nini Raila ameitisha kwangu kutoka tupate hiyo handshake, isipokuwa kukaa nami kujadiliana pamoja nami juu ya vile hii nchi yetu tutaweza kuishi kwa amani na maendeleo iendelee.
What is important ukituona sisi tuko hapa ndio kwamba tumekubali that those who we can do business with are here.
Lakini muvae viatu sasa twende kazi. We are going to make him the president if we all go out there na tuangalie vile tutapata kura.
Thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kwanirira na kuheana itumi ciake cia kunyita Raila Odinga mbaru, riu oriti ya Kenya marugame thutha wake guthura Odinga tondu niwe arenda gugatigira mathaga ma utongoria. Ngiribotera Inoro TV de Kasarani county-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni Wajihia.